In this video, I will share one DIY face serum that will help you to achieve smooth glowing skin that shines like a mirror. This serum is very effective to restore skin elasticity. Rice is the key ingredient of this serum that contains gamma-oryzanol, which is an enzyme that can help even out skin tone and brighten skin complexion. So without any further delay, let's start with our video. To make this serum you will need 1 tablespoon raw white rice, aloe vera gel, sandalwood essential oil, glycerin, and rose water. First, wash your rice with plain water 3 to 4 times to remove all dirt and impurities. Add 2 tablespoons water in this and leave it for 15 to 20 minutes. Now in a clean bowl, take half a tablespoon of aloe vera gel. It is better to use market for gel to make this serum, as it will increase shelf life. Add 9 to 10 drops of glycerin and 1 tablespoon of rose water in this. Next in this, add 3 to 4 drops of red sandalwood essential oil. At last, add 1 tablespoon of rice water that we have prepared. Mix it well, and your serum is ready. If consistency of this serum is not watery, you can add more rice water in this. Mix everything well and your serum is ready. Transfer this to a clean glass dropper bottle. You can use this serum daily 2 times on your clean face. Take 5 to 6 drops of this serum and tap it on your face. In daytime, I will recommend first use a good vitamin C serum, and on top of that you can use this rice serum. Vitamin C serum is rich in antioxidants that will prevent skin damage caused by free radicals. This rice serum will make your skin fair and at the same time will tighten your skin pores. In this serum, rice water is combined with sandalwood oil that makes it excellent for skin brightening.